Hey family, welcome back to the garden, Leafy Legacies. Today I'm setting up this 6 by 3 by 3 foot mini greenhouse from Amazon. I'm super excited about this one because it's the perfect size for small gardens, patios, or even just a little corner of your backyard. First, let's talk about why I love this design. It comes with two different covers, a clear PVC cover and a green mesh cover. The clear one is awesome for trapping warmth, basically turning into this mini sauna for seedlings and young plants. The green mesh cover, that one protects from harsh sun while still letting air flow through. Double the options, double the fun. Now I'm setting it up. You'll see it has two zipper doors at the end of this. Well, it's going to be in the next video. This is a game changer because you don't have to struggle to reach in. You just unzip, roll it up, and boom, you got easy access, perfect for watering, pruning, or sneaking a quick peek at your plants. Fun fact, did you know greenhouses work by trapping the sun's heat and keeping it from escaping at night? It's like a cozy blanket for your plants. That means I can start my veggies and herbs and flowers earlier in the season and keep them going for longer into the year. One of my favorite things about this greenhouse is how portable it is. No heavy lifting, no complicated setup. You can literally move it around if you need to follow the sun or protect your plants from bad weather. And because it's water resistant and UV protected, I don't have to worry about Florida's crazy weather beating it up. Here's the best part. This mini greenhouse helps keep pests out. This means no more surprise visit from caterpillars, grasshoppers, or neighborhood critters that think my garden is their buffet. By the time I finish setting this up, I have the perfect little safe space to grow herbs, leafy greens, and even start my fall and winter seeds. Imagine stepping outside and clipping fresh basil, lettuce, or collards right from your own protected greenhouse. So, if you've been looking for a budget-friendly way to grow more food at home, extend your growth season, or just keep your plants happier, this mini greenhouse is a must-have. Stick around because I'll be showing you what I'm planning in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for taking your time out the day to see what I have going on in my garden. Happy gardening, everyone. Please like, share, follow for more videos, and comment down below what are you doing this fall in your garden.